Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily add extensions to your Google Chrome browser. So for doing this you just need to open Google Chrome, here you can see it, and now you just go here, click here and choose more tools and choose extensions. After you choose extensions, here you can see all extensions that are installed on my computer in my browser. So just click here and open Google Chrome Web Store. So here you will see Chrome Web Store, and just in search tab you enter all you want. For example, adblock. Here enter adblock and you will see adblock for YouTube. Adblock best for blocker. It also installed on my computer. Adblock Plus, free ad blocker. For example, I will install some extension to show you how it works. Click on it. And now you can see that it is adding to Chrome. So now just wait some time after it successfully add. So here you can see installation successful. So this is how it works. Thank you for watching, have a nice day, subscribe on my channel, click like, and goodbye.